Hi everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola, and today I am going to be showing you a great preview of what will be happening in the May weekend class. Now I need you to know that what we do on this channel is I make shoemaking simple and easy, and one of those way I do that is we go beyond this community, and I try to take my time to hold my students' hand to put them through the process of shoemaking, especially those who are actually beginners. I love them to be able to understand the basics of shoemaking so that it will be so easy for them as they advance in the skill. Now, in this month, we are actually going to be looking at about 3 different designs, and this is actually one of them. What I do is I take them through the process of cutting the pattern, cutting the upper, as well as lacing and all of that. And you know, the amazing thing about this design is it's quite simple, but at the same time, if you don't understand the simple techniques of pattern cutting, you believe, no, I'm not sure I can create this. Of course, I'll be giving you feedback on what we were actually able to create and how my students were able to create this particular design. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I need you to do that right away. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. That's the only way you can be notified each time I publish a video such as what you have on the screen right here. I need you to know that this does not mean I'm not going to continue with my quality videos on this particular channel, but just to let you know that if you would love to take this relationship to a further height, I am so much ready to take you through, the weekend class. So what happens in the weekend class? We have it on Fridays and on Saturdays. What we basically do is footwears. We also teach ourselves how to go about our marketing as our sales, because I believe so much that when you acquire a skill, you should be able to market your product. I know a lot of us are having questions such as, okay, I have been producing, but I don't even understand how to market. So many people talk about online, I've tried, it's not working. Trust me, by the time you get to our weekend class, you should be able to understand how to navigate different marketing channels as well as different sales channels. They are 2 different entities you should understand. So if you would love to actually be part of this, I want you to let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely take my time to put you through whatever link I attach. Please go through the link, fill the form, and register the way you ought to. Now, in that class, of course, I'm going to be showing them how to actually apply their edge coats. Of course, I have a course on how you can create your edge coats. I practically create myself. I'm going to be giving them 50% discount for anyone who wants to actually be part of that course as well. That's just the privilege for being part of the weekend class. You enjoy, sometimes you are privileged to enjoy 50%, but of course I'm promising this, that you are going to be enjoying 50% on how to make the edge coat yourself. You can see you don't even have to think about, oh, I don't have shoe last. Of course, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your feet to do all, and it's going to be looking so perfect and beautiful. I'm sure at the end of the class, at the end of May, you would definitely know that it's beyond what I'm actually speaking here. I am going to see you in the class. Bye.